Anu's age exceeds Sumbo's age by 15. The sum of the square of their ages is 725. What are their ages? Let Anu's age be x and Sumbo's age be y. So in the question we are told that Anu's age exceeds Sumbo's age by 15. So that will be what? Anu's age is x equals what? Sumbo's age y plus what? 15. Then the sum of the square of their ages is 725. So that will be x squared plus y squared equals what? 725. So we can call this equation 1 and we can call this equation 2. So we're going to say substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So wherever you see x, you're going to replace it with what? Y plus 15. So that becomes y plus 15 all squared plus y squared equals 725. Now I have to expand this, okay? So to do that, you square the y, it becomes y squared plus y times 15 is 15y times 2, that's 30y, and then the square of 15 is 225 plus y squared. Now 725 will cross the equal sign to become what? Minus 725. Then you're left with 0 on the right hand side, okay? So y squared plus y squared will give you what? 2y squared plus 30y. Now plus 225 minus 725 will give you minus 500. You are left with what? 0 on the right hand side. So if I bring 2 out, open your bracket, 2y squared divided by 2, you'll be left with what? Y squared plus 30y divided by 2, that will be 15y, minus 500 divided by 2 is 250, and everything here equals 0. Okay, so at this point you can divide both sides by 2. Divide here by 2. So this and this will cancel out. So you are left with what? Y squared plus 15y minus 250 equals 0. So at this point, you're going to open 2 brackets like this. Let's manage this place, please. 2 brackets equals 0. So you put y here, you probably put y here. So at this point, we need 2 numbers so that we'll multiply them, we'll get minus 250. We'll add them up, we'll get 15. So that will be what? Plus 25 minus 10. Now let's confirm. 25 times minus 10 will give you minus 250. 25 plus minus 10 will give you what? 15. So we're on track. It's going to be either y plus 25, y plus 25 equals 0. It implies that y equals minus 25, or y minus 10 equals 0. Y minus 10 equals 0. And by implication, y equals what? 10. Now, there's no way the age will be negative. Okay, so I'm going to work with 10. So let me put this like this. Then we'll say substitute y equals 10 in equation 1. So it becomes x equals, wherever you see y, you put 10 there, plus what? 15. Okay, so therefore x equals 25. That is to say, Anu's age is 25, while Sumbo's age is 10.